Do you think
Yeah, significant issues. Yeah, I do. I think there are important issues about the survival of death. I think everybody is concerned about death. If they're not concerned about death, I find it hard to believe that they really have taken themselves seriously. Dualism has always had, seemed to me, the most plausible explanation. If one can survive death, the soul easily accounts for that survival of death in a way that if you're identical with your physical body, it's awfully hard to see how you can survive death, because most of our bodies, as we well know, are either going to end up 6 feet under, or they're going to be cremated, and to have any plausible, intuitive account of survival of death, seems to me you need the soul. We all desire happiness, and we desire, I think, a perfect form of happiness. We want to be happy in life, and we have this deep sense that if the world were arranged the right way, we'd be a lot happier than we are. And so I think the soul's deeply important. It's important for the idea that, well, if I can ever experience the kind of happiness that I really want, there must be something after this world. And so you need a soul to really provide a kind of ultimate meaning in life in terms of happiness. So yeah, a lot hinges on whether or not there's a soul.